St. Kitts and Nevis now has 8 confirmed cases of the coronavirus. In addition to the 5 confirmed cases on the weekend, the 8th case was recorded on Nevis on Monday afternoon. The patient is a 51-year-old female who is a citizen of St. Kitts and Nevis and a resident of Nevis. According to a release from the Ministry of Health, as with all other confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the country, this case is also travel-related, meaning it was imported into the Federation, given the patient's travel history from the United Kingdom on March 14th. The Federal Ministry of Health wishes to advise the public that the patient would have been quarantined since arrival in the Federation. Now that the confirmation of COVID-19 has been received, the patient is subject to compulsory isolation in order to limit the likelihood of transmission to others. The Ministry of Health on Nevis has already begun tracing the contacts of this individual, and these contacts would be subject to strict quarantine and testing, the release said. To report on the other COVID-19 cases confirmed on the weekend, we join Glenn Bart.
As citizens and residents adjust to a COVID-19 state of emergency, Minister of State Wendy Phipps confirmed new cases of COVID-19 in the Federation. She indicated that recent test results returned from CARPHA show positives for 5 males and females on St. Kitts, all imported from nearby islands.
On Saturday, March 28, 2020, St. Kitts and Nevis recorded 5 additional cases of COVID-19. This brings the total number of confirmed cases to 7. The patients are 3 females and 2 males, who are all citizens of St. Kitts and Nevis. The female patients are aged 10 months, 24 years, and 36 years, while the 2 male patients are 29 and 39 years respectively. All 5 of these cases are travel-related, meaning that the cases were imported into the Federation. This determination has been made based on the patients' travel histories to St. Martin and Antigua during the period March 6 to 13, 2020. The Federal Ministry of Health wishes to advise the public that these confirmed cases of COVID-19 indicate that all such patients are being subjected to compulsory isolation in order to limit the likelihood of transmission to others. The ministry further advises that the contacts of all 5 patients will be subject to strict quarantine and testing as well, given that they would have been exposed to the novel coronavirus and can infect others during the incubation period.
Minister Phipps reminded citizens and residents of their part in stopping the spread of the highly infectious virus and urged strict compliance to quarantine and isolation measures. Glenn Bart for SKN Newsline.